Yangi yil yaqinlashdi deguncha xayolimga faqat Uyda yolg'iz filmi keladi.
U film eskirdi-yu.
Ha, mana yangilik. 2025-yilda Men With Baby degan yangi film chiqibdi. Biz Mr. Bean deb taniydigan Rowan Atkinson bosh rollarni ijro etgan. Film rejissyorlari bu kinoni Uyda yolg'iz filmidan reytingi ancha baland bo'lishini kutishmoqda. Demak, yangi yil va yangi shov-shuvli film. Birga ko'rishga tayyormisiz?
Hello?
Sorry to bother you, sir. We're making inquiries about a missing baby.
A baby? A misplaced baby?
What do you mean, Dad?
What are you doing, Trevor?
It's a bit of a long story. I rang earlier about a baby that was left behind at St. Aldwyn's School.
Let's start with your last name, sir.
It's Bingley.
Infant.
Whose baby is this?